My name is Alexander. What's yours?
It's Elisa.
Nice name, Elisa.
Meet me outside later.
Sure. Yay!
I have a confession to make.
What is it then, Lisa?
It's that I love you and I want to be your girlfriend.
For real?
For real.
Finally. And let's take a picture. Doctor, there's this guy. Gotta get an operation too. Well, I can say that you could exchange eyes. Well, if that's what you think, we will do it. Thanks, Doc. Follow me at the operation room.
Thanks for saving my life, Alexander. And of course for the operation. Oh, I see. Cannot see. I go now. This is the last thing you see before he gave away his eyes. The end.